This is Electrolux vacuum cleaner. The model name is EFC71611. Okay, so here on this carton box you can see there is a sticker. On this sticker, model name, PNC number, serial number, and another technical specification given over here. Alright, so in this video we are going to learn about the unpacking process. After unpacking, along with this vacuum cleaner, how many accessories we will receive. We'll see thoroughly and understand about those all accessories. Alright, so I'm going to tear up this tape, okay, to remove out the vacuum cleaner. So cut this tape from left side and on the right side, okay, and on the top of this packaging box. Alright, so yeah, so this is the big beautiful vacuum cleaner. Okay, this is the top view. Okay, so we can see here how nicely this all accessories placed in this packaging box. Alright, so first of all I will take those all accessories. So this is the flexible hose, okay, one accessory. Another accessory is aluminium tube. Okay, this one is the aluminium telescopic tube. Next accessory is handle. Here you can see this is the handle. And another accessory is the floor nozzle. Here you can see basically this is the cleaning tube. Okay, this is the floor nozzle. And the last accessory is dusting brush. Okay, this one is the dusting brush. Now, along with this product, we have received the warranty card. This one is the warranty card. Okay, and this is the installation instruction. Alright, now finally I'm going to take out this vacuum cleaner nicely. So this is a very beautiful product. I will take out this poly bag as well so that we can see the product thoroughly. So this is the denim blue and black combination vacuum cleaner. Very nice. Okay. Now once again I will repeat the accessories. This one is the dusting brush, aluminium telescopic tube. This is the floor nozzle. This is the handle, and last one is the flexible hose. Alright. So along with this vacuum cleaner, we have received this all the accessories and cleaning tool, and this one is the warranty card, and this is the installation guide. Alright, clear? Thank you. Vacuum cleaner, the model name is EFC71611, which we can see over here. So I have unpacked this model. Along with this product, we have received these all accessories. So you can see here, this is the flexible hose, this one is the handle, this one is the aluminium telescopic tube. Along with this product, we have received two cleaning tools. So this one is the floor nozzle and this one is the dusting brush. Okay, right? So first we will connect this flexible hose over here in this point. So there is a two button. Press both button on the left side and right side and insert inside this hollow. It will get fixed. Okay, at this end we will fix the handle. So you can see here this is the handle. There is a button and you can see here there is a point, so both points should be matched with each other, and you heard a click sound, means this handle is fixed along with this flexible hose. At this end we will fix this aluminium telescopic tube. So you can see here there is a 2 point. This 2 point will be correct over here. So like this. You have heard a sound click, means it is connected. Now at this point we will connect our cleaning tool. What cleaning tool? So this one is the floor nozzle. So it will be connect like this. You can see here there is a point, grace point, and this is the button. So both should be matched with each other. and you will heard a sound click. Okay, so it is locked. Very simple process. Okay, and another cleaning tool is a dusting brush. So very simple. First you have to remove this floor nozzle like this, remove, and fix this dusting brush over here like this. So we can assemble these all accessories like this. Hi, so in this video we'll learn about the operating procedure of this vacuum cleaner. Okay, so you can see here there is two buttons. This is the rewind power cable rewind button, and this one is the power on off button. Okay, power cable rewind button means we have to pull out the power supply cable manually for the user's purpose. Okay, after the job completion, for inserting it, for rewinding it, we have to press this button. So I'm going to press it. You can see here the power cable will get rewinded. It is rewinded. Okay. Now this is the power on off button. I will show you here practically. I have connected this power supply cable in the power socket. So you will require 16 ampere socket to connect the power supply cable. Here this is the button, power on off button. So I am going to press it. You can hear a sound. This product is running. For turning it off, again you have to press it. Okay. Now another button is the knob. So this knob is given for increasing or decreasing the suction speed. Okay, motor speed. So like if you required to increase the suction power, so in that case you have to rotate this knob in the clockwise direction. For decreasing it, you have to rotate it again in the anti-clockwise direction. Right? Yes. So I have done my job. I have completed the cleaning process. Now I want to place my product in a cord. So there is a facility to place all the assembled accessories. So you can see here there is a slot given on the back side of the product. here. So just in a very simple way, there is a point given in the floor nozzle. It will fixed over here like this. So in this way we can place our product. Okay. One more way, one more slot given on the bottom side. So I will show you to place this product in another way. Here you can see on the bottom side there is a slot here. So if I want to place my product in this way, we can place our product in this way as well. Okay. Thank you.